Morning, good morning. We're dealing with a gap down of around 200 points today. Market's climbing up, negative 1%. A little late start, but plenty of time to catch some trades. Start short here. Yes, it's tapping the VWAP. Only in with 1 micro. Waiting to add more. I'm not looking for just a 1 micro position. I'm looking for this to pop up. Don't pull back. Looks like it's about to pull back to the 21 EMA, which is this green line. ES is pulling back to the 200-day SMA. Bitcoin's red 1%. Nvidia down 2%. Palantir down 11%. Wow. What's the news on Palantir? ES bounced off the 200-day moving average. We had some negative news at 8:30. That's what brought the market down. US trade balance negative 140 billion. Waiting to add. Hopefully I'll be able to add. I'm only holding 1 micro right now. Waiting for a pop up to add to the short. It's looking weak. ES is popping though. Retesting the VWAP on the ES. May have opportunity. Here we go. Pop up, pop up. Yeah, step back down to the 200-day SMA. Still gap down 250 points. It looks like it wants to climb. It's fine with me. I can add instead of only 1 micro. ES is trapped between this SMA and VWAP. Only in with one micro up 20, which I want to be within. I want to be in with more position, but it's pulling back. ES is breaking through the SMA. Could have added one, but I usually like to add every 15 points, especially since the 15-minute range just got made. NQ 5-minute looking weak. ES retook the 200-day SMA. Looking for a move up to add to the short. She's getting stuck. Cheers. And gotta take that. We had some type of news and it just hurled at 50 points. I had to take it. One micro, $71. Wish it popped up so I could add it to that position. Sure, Andy. You can send me a DM on Twitter or wherever you can reach me. Email me. You can find my email on YouTube. It's chris@FOMOfutures.com. NQ. Testing that 21 EMA again. It's looking weak. We have news at 10, 11:30. At 10, Scott Bessent, the U.S. Treasury Secretary, testifies. At 11:30, Trump meets Canada's PM. It's pretty much all Trump. All Trump today. I'm gonna add along. Start along at 1. Looking at every 10 to 15 points. Hopefully we get a little more dive. Start along knowing they might shoot for this low of day. Maybe even break it. We have support around 1975, 19,750. Added 2 there. I added 2 because it whipped hard. Taking one off. Taking another. Holding the last one for the 21 EMA retest. Putting stop break even. In with one micro, up 23 so far. Waiting for the 21 EMA retest. ES is looking weak. Probably gonna be stopped out. Could really remove the stop. It's only one micro, no risk, but it's good trade practice. And stopped out. Yeah, I can. I'm loading up, Andy. Give me a minute. Coming into support on the NQ. About to retest a little day. Adding along. Hopefully a little more push. Adding one more. Speed of the candle, I like it. Only in with 2 micros. A lot of room to add. It's one of my accounts. Only holding 2 micros. Waiting for a little bit more of a pop. Bitcoin down, market's down 1.5% on the day. Palantir down almost 14%. ES looks like it's reversing. I'll take 1 micro off at these lows. And with 3 there, I'll be taking some off once it gets above the average, which is that blue line. So far, a 100-point move down. For a little more. ATR's 30. And with 5 micros, for it to pop up above that average so I can get out some. A little more. It's being stubborn. ES is reversing slightly, trying to at least. Bitcoin down 1.4% on the day. Just gotta give it time. A little more and I'll add. There's another support level at 19,684. Looks like ES found some support. A little more. Take one there. Take one there. Let the other ride. And with 3 micros so far, up 100. About to get one profit target hit. Once that profit target's hit, I'll put in break even stop. A little more. Come on. It's getting stuck at this low. I'm gonna take it. Not liking how it's getting stuck there. Put in break even stop. ES is looking weak. Stop up, securing 10 points. It's going good, he knows. How are you doing? If you're trading, hopefully you're green. And about to hit stop. ES is coming down. I'm gonna leave it. With the ES coming down, I was about to take it, but I'll just let it get stopped out. I'll check it after stream, Mandy. ES is bouncing, NQ is bouncing. Looking to trail this stop all the way. I'll take one at this 21 EMA bounce. Finally had trades with over 2 micros. Yesterday it was just 1 micro and then 2 micros. Still profited $263, but at least we got to have more size today. Scott Bessent's talking at 10 a.m. Trump's meeting. Canada's PM at 11:30. A lot of opportunities to come. And stopped out. Up $176 on the day so far. With 2 trades in total, 9 mini contracts. We're dealing with a gap down today, around 400 points. This purple line is where the previous day close was. So we're gap down a lot. down 1.4% on the day. NQ, Nvidia's down 2.4. Tesla's down almost 3%. Palantir's down almost 15%. Market is definitely bearish. Bearish trend today. The NQ should have some support at this high right here. May have a little bounce here at 19,680. VIX is up 6%, which is the volatility index. I like to see that. I hate slow markets. Yes, looks like it just created a higher low. NQ popping. 5 minute looks like it's reversing. See if we can get that 21 EMA test. Waiting for the trade. Gotta be patient. What is the news with Palantir? It's down 14%. What happened? I guess the earnings were bad. That's what every article. I guess the earnings call was bad. It beat earnings, but the stock crashed. Interesting. I guess it underperformed investors' expectations, even though it still beat. It's a good outlook. Yeah, it's climbing. Nvidia down 2% on the day. NQ tapping that 21 EMA again. NQ breaking through and then testing the 21 EMA. Hopefully the quality of the stream's not bad. I forgot to put it on my CPU instead of my GPU. Yeah, it's getting rejected at the 100-day moving average. Thank you, consolidating around the 21 EMA. It's not terrible. Could start short here, but I'm looking for a little more overextension. Volatility died yesterday around 11, so looking for at least 2 to 3 more trades before then. Just waiting. Good thing is Trump will be talking, Scott Besson will be talking. Scott is due to be talking now. He's testifying, so that could bring some volatility back in. Just waiting for the right setup. Q breaking out over the 21 EMA. Draw some trend lines. Not really. I think it's doing a V-shaped recovery, probably going all the way to the top. We are gap down 250 points. It's Purple line's the previous day close. So we are gap down. NQ's down 1.1%. ES about to test the 200-day SMA and VWAP. Bitcoin's climbing, still down 0.7% on the day. Palantir's is dropping, almost down 15%. A lot of opportunities to come. Up 176 on the day with only 2 trades, 9 micro contracts, excuse me. Looking for 3 more trades before 11, probably only get 1 or 2. For NQ to pop above the high of day, then I'll get in short. There's resistance at 19,865. Another batch of resistance at 19,900. ES over the 200-day SMA, testing VWAP. NQ pushing to all-time high, not all-time highs, day high. NQ pushing to the day high, doing a V-shaped recovery. Just being patient. I'm not shorting here because it's very likely going to test these highs and break out. Doesn't have to. It could create a lower high here, but I don't want to be on the other end of that, even though I only be in with 1 or 3 micros once it hits the top. But just stay patient, wait for the quick move up into the short. Looking strong. It is still a downtrend day. Market's red 1%. Everything's red besides Netflix and Alibaba and Adobe. From my list anyway. ES getting stuck at the VWAP. Bitcoin climbing a little bit. NQ's at the 200-day SMA on the 1-minute chart, getting stuck below. ES is at the VWAP on the 1-minute chart, stuck in between the 200-day SMA and that. They both look like they rejected it. It's looking a little weak. Could be It did go up hard points, so. This could be the pullback. I really think it's going to go to that high though. So I'm just being patient, waiting. And if it pulls back, it pulls back. I mean, it's not the end of the world. There are no missed opportunities, only the next one. So I'll get the next one if that happens. Pulls back, crashes below the lows, I'll get in short. The volatility of the candles good enough, fast enough, I'll get in. It's looking like it wants to explode to the upside. Yes, it's tapping the VWAP again. The Williams R 120-day indicators are getting into overextended territory. RSIs are above the MA inside. Looks like we're about to make a new high for the day. VWAP for the NQs at 19,859. Pretty much coincides with this high. So if it breaks through this high, it also breaks through the VWAP. There's a little resistance at 19,870. There's really good resistance at 19,900. Above that, the 950s, and then we got the gap fill at 20,055. ES just created a new high, NQ created a new high for the day. Should have been in on that volatility candle. Too busy talking. Volatility is dropping. Q's tapping resistance, waiting for some volatility, some quick move up. It's really overextended right now. I want to get in short, just waiting for a quick move up. A little higher. It's almost 200 points up from the bottom. I'm in with one micro, looking for it to go higher so I can get in with more size. Heavy resistance at 19,900. And then 19,940. Just good resistance. Don't pull back with just one. Come on. Pop it up a little bit. Pop it up a little bit. Don't give the big pullback here. Don't do it. In with one micro up $20. Now break even, which I'm fine with. I want to add more. Even more size. May not give it to me. Looking for a pop to add to the short. Looks like I'm gonna get it. A little more. A little more. NQ 30-minute, the 200-day SMA is at 19,920. About right here. Should act as some resistance for a little pullback at least. Doesn't have to, but just something to look at. Go. Adding two. Adding one. For a pullback soon. Wouldn't mind if it went to that 200-day SMA though, which is at 1922. I'm gonna take two off soon, maybe only one. Yeah, this is pulling back. Waiting for a bigger move before I take some off. Looks like they want to have one more leg up. Maybe a couple more. We are up almost 200 points from the low. Thank you coming into that 200-day SMA. It is looking top heavy. That's pretty good. They printed it up. It's usually manipulation to send it down. See what they want to do. Just being patient. Scott Bessent, U.S. Treasury Secretary, is speaking. He's testifying right now at 11:30 to like 12. Trump's talking to Canada's Prime Minister Carney. So there's plenty of opportunities to come. Once this drops with a little more, I'm gonna take 2 off. Put break even stop, even though I shouldn't.
Order working.
Take 1 there.
Order working.
It's really overextended, but for some reason it looks strong. Nvidia's climbing, everything's climbing, it looks strong. So I do not want to be on the other end of a 200 point rip. Yes, it's bouncing. Could be a fake though. Move this to true break even. Give it room. It looks top heavy, but they might just be consolidating. I mean, it's due for a pullback. It went 200 points up. Be nice if it pulled back all the way to the 21 EMA, but may not get it. Take 1 more at these highs. It'll come down. Take 1 at this resistance, level 2, and then carry 1 all the way to the 21 EMA if it'll let me. Moving stop down. Just above these highs. Actually, it's only 5 points. There's no point. Stop out, break even. Well, there's no risk. No risk on this trade. It's only 3 micros, up $80 so far, 90. Just waiting for a bigger drop. Looks like it wants to pump though. ES is pumping a little bit. Probably get stopped out. Yep. We're gonna get stopped out. They want to go higher. They want to test the 200-day SMA. They might go all the way up to the gap fill, which is at 20,055. The previous day close. and stopped. Could have locked in more profit when it figured we would have a little more pullback and 30 points after a 200 point run, which this could be it. Could have faked it up. Now I'm gonna dive. And Q's printing a red candle. 5 minutes looking weak. Could not gonna beat myself up on this one. I could have did a lot, but could have removed the stop and then it rips up 200 points. Up 187 on the day, trading with 3 trades. 3 trades total, up 187. Only trading 13 micro contracts. It does look weak. This is where you get into the mindset of should've, but I executed the trading plan, expected a bigger pullback to the 21 EMA, or at least this previous high. Could have let it play more, could have had to stop. I mean, could have did a lot, but there's no point in thinking like that. If the market wasn't gapped down 200 points, I would have probably not had to stop there. Giving it a little more room, taking a loss on the stop. But I mean, it's gapped down. I think it wants to go up. Looks like it wants to go up. I think we made the right decision. Yes, looks like it wants to make a new high for the day. NQ looks like it wants to test that 200 day SMA. Nvidia is slowly grinding up. Google slowly grinding up. Palantir is the only one really red with 14% down. Bitcoin's only down 0.5%. And Q's just consolidating, just boiling up. Five minutes looking more bullish. NQ just created a new high. ES just created a new high. So we definitely made the right decision. Definitely wants to take a couple legs higher. There's major resistance at 19,950. Major resistance right here, chop zone. Gap fills all the way up here. It's kind of at resistance also. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is testifying right now. It should bring some volatility, should bring some trade opportunities. Looks like he's just sticking to the script though. These are some of his comments. The U.S. government will never default. We will raise the debt ceiling. We will not use gimmicks to get around the debt ceiling. It's a complicated mix of factors for who will pay tariffs. Trump speaks at somewhere around 11:45. He's meeting Canada's PM at 11:30. He's having lunch with them at 12:15. And at 5 p.m. he's doing a swearing-in ceremony, so should have some news around lunchtime. Maybe volatility won't die at 11:30 today. Let's see. It's already dying a little bit though. $10:30 right now. Gotta be patient. Be patient. Wait for the correct setup. NQ 30-minute. Tap that 200-day SMA. And then dipped. NQ 5-minute looks weak. It's kind of consolidating up here though, so that might be a bullish sign. It's above all the MAs and SMAs. Looking for a couple more trades before volatility drops. Could be in here long. It's consolidating. Looks like it wants to take another leg up. Starting along after it rose 200 points without a pullback is not for the faint of heart. So you gotta be careful. Knowing that it can just pull back and it could V-shape recovery and go all the way to the bottom. V-shaped dip. Waiting for an opportunity. Hopefully be able to get one or two more trades before volatility is gone, unless Trump tweets, then it will come back. Trump tweets, or when he speaks, he says something that either spooks the market or rallies up. Hopefully you guys made some profit. Hopefully you're green or you learned a lot of lessons. Anyone watching the stream now or later. Hopefully you did not lose too much on this drop and then pump. It is best to stay out of the chop zone. It is in the chop zone, full chop zone right now. This is not where you want to be trading. Gotta be patient. It is in full chop zone right now. Volatility has dropped off. Look at the volatility. Just all the volume just drop, drop, drop. Looks like it's trying to make a new day high. Might have an opportunity to get that one of the last trades. I've taken 3 trades so far, up 187 with only 3 micro contracts. Man, it's not bad. Not a bad day. Need more though. Really need more. Might have to start being a little more aggressive since the market, at least this week, doesn't have the volatility, the quick moves. Coming into the first resistance level at 19,950. Got the gap fill. This purple line's the gap fill, previous day close. It's at 20,055. About 100 points away. See what it wants to do. Man, I want to take a short so bad. It's just slowly grinding up though. Being patient, being patient. Officially up 200 points from the high, from the low. Low was 19,738. Now it's 19,931, basically 200 points. Without a pullback. Only had not even a mini pullback. Consolidation. Being patient, waiting for the move. No downtrend today. No V-shaped. Market's negative 0.6%. Nvidia's negative. Everything's slightly negative. Palantir's the leader with 13% negative. Next news is around 11:30, 11:45. Tweets from Trump, no volatility in the market. It's dipping a little bit. If we get the 21 EMA bounce or if it breaks it. Raw fib. Going into that 21 EMA bounce. Let's see what it does. Yes, back in the consolidation zone. 5-minute NQ looks like it wants to drop. Yeah, be patient, chat. Be patient. Hold your convictions, do your strategies. Just gotta be patient. I hate trading this chop. I hate trading the just no speed candles, low volatility. I hate trading it. Has yet to test the 21 EMA. Slow moving. Volatility has dropped. It's almost 11. It might be gone. I get the 21 EMA test now. I'll be looking to start a long around this previous high into the 50s, knowing it can go all the way to this low. Looks like it's gonna bounce though. So slow, low volatility. Man, I could have played along into this consolidation, into this 21 EMA bounce. Not worth it for me. Even though it may work out for you if you took it. Up 187 on the day, trading 13 micros. 3 trades total. Not bad. But it's bouncing. If we can get out of this consolidation zone. Q's down 0.7% on the day, Nvidia down about 1%, Tesla down 2%. Palantir leading the pack with down 12%. Market's looking kind of strong though. It had a little pullback there, but only about 40-50 points after a 200 point move. If it comes up, creates a lower high, I'm probably going to short. Throw in a couple contracts. Love trading that. Yeah. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. I love shorting that because then just so much upside. I'll probably move stop quicker once it reaches this 200-day EMA. If it does come up here, short here, move stop when it gets here to break even, just because it'll be in this consolidation zone and might just rip. But if it's lower high, there's a good chance. I like the probability that it drops. We are 150 points down for today though, so there's a gap of 150 points. Like it's testing that 21 EMA. Consolidating. Gotta be patient. Looking for one more trade and then I'm probably done for today. Up 187 with 13 micros, 3 trades total. Not a lot, not what I want, but a lot more. But no volatility, slow market. Yesterday was super slow. Not worth sticking around. Even though at 11:30 could spike in 30 minutes because Trump is talking to Canada's Prime Minister Carney. And could have some fireworks. Play it's popping. Let's see if it creates a lower high. Creates a lower high, I'm going in short. Thank you for the follow, Pete, on Rumble. Thank you. Hopefully you gain some value. Hopefully you're trading and making some money, or worst case, losing and learning a lot of lessons. Back testing strategies. But you learn something. Take some value. Looking for a lower high. Get on the reversal candle. May just break through. ES looks like it wants to make a new high for the day. NQ 30 minutes testing the 200 SMA. ES is closing in on a new high for the day. Market 0.4% away from going green. Everything's slowly grinding up. At 12 at noon, we have an EIA STIO report, tentative. I don't know if that's going to move the market or not. It's yellow news. I have no idea. I'm going to just treat it like it's not going to. I probably won't still be live or trading. Volatility is just dying more and more. This is something you guys should look at. The smart money, dumb money confidence. Dumb money's climbing, the smart money's dipping. So that's something to look out for. When all the retail was selling, the institutional was buying and bought, like averaged in at the bottom, and now they're selling as it's climbing. Pay attention to. Maybe the lower high. A little riskier of a trade because it's going to bounce, go down right into consolidation, but it might be worth it. I'm gonna start short.
Order filled.
Only with one micro so far. 5 minute looks like it wants to go higher, so definitely more risk, but could be the last trade of the day. Volatility is just so low. Willing to take a lower risk. Knowing there's resistance at 19,950. And a lot of numbers. Nvidia is down 1%. Market's dropping to 0.6. Q looks like it wants to make a new high for the day. ES about to make a new high for the day. Five-minute looks bullish, but I'm in short with one micro. Only one micro can average in. Low room. Since it consolidated here, dropped, held this strong, I'm gonna probably average in every 20 points or 15 to 20 points. I'll add one, so I de-risk a little bit. Does look like it's gonna pull back though. So low volatility, you just gotta be patient. Patient, wait. $30-minute NQ looks bullish. ES consolidating, look like it wants to go higher. 5-minute NQ looks like it wants to go higher. NQ might have just got rejected off the 200 SMA that fast. That fast, everything looks like it wanted to go higher, and now everything looks like it wants to drop. Gotta be able to adapt quick. Only in with one micro, up $10. It's nothing big. May hold for this for a new low though. Sell it around here.
Order working.
Like 40 points. Probably just gonna trail it down if it drops though. I'm gonna move stop to break even, though it's only one micro, but it's good trade practice. Move stop when it hits the 21 EMA. 5-minute looks like it wants to drop, that could change. 30-minute got rejected off the 200 EMA. SMA, excuse me. It wants to test the 21 EMA. When it does, I'm moving stop to break even. I know it may seem redundant, but it's good trade practice. Will help me when I'm in, 50 micros. There it is. Moving stop to break even. And it's a true break even. Looking for 40 points, up 34 with one micro. Not a lot, but once we get another candle, or if it breaks this low, I'll move stop to this high, maybe even a little more. Trying to give it room though. Trying to give it room to make a new low. Is tanking hard. Up $50 with one micro. Yes, it's coming down. Did not create a new high. NQ 30-minute coming down. 5-minute testing lows. Created a new low. I'm gonna put it right above this EMA. Second candle too. I could whip up. I'm gonna leave the stop here, but the smart stop would be at this high, because it could whip up and just retest the 21 EMA. It's coming down so fast, I want to secure some though. Especially since it's the last traded day, I want to lock in. Wish I would have added more size, but I'm gonna move this. Move the profit target and just trail it down. Some room. Be patient. Looks like we may get stopped out though. It's doing the 21 EMA retest. ES is bouncing, but it just goes straight down though. It created, this is the exact setup I talked about and did. Higher high, higher low, lower high. I love trading these. And then just straight down, lower high, straight down, stop filled. We got stopped out for $38. Nothing crazy, but it's the correct trade. And if it would have went up, I would have been in with more size. It's the right practice, right thing to do. Love trading that setup. For some reason, there's a pattern. Higher high, higher low, into lower high, short, short, short. I do. I short it heavy and sell it on the drop. It usually goes below the lower low or the higher low, excuse me. Even this higher stop would have been hit, so I'm okay with that. Good trade. Wanted to be in with more size, but good trade, good fundamentals, good strategy, good decision making, good execution. Not bad, not bad. Treat it as practice. Up 225 on the day with 14 micro contracts traded, 4 trades for the day. Bouncing, testing that 21 EMA again. In about 15 minutes, Trump is meeting Canada's Prime Minister Carney. I have some news. I may stick around, see if it brings some volatility. Getting the base hits in. Base hits in. Preparing for them real volatile days where you have 30 micro contracts in, you have 50 micro contracts in, all the way to, I usually don't like to go past 50 because after that the drawdown gets crazy. But preparation for those days. Nice bounce off the 21 EMA, 5 minutes, just chopping. Yes, created a lower high into a lower low. Looking heavy. Volatility is just non-existent. Look at this volume. Look at this volume, just nothing. Seems like Treasurer Secretary Scott Besson is still talking, testifying. Market could be waiting for him to finish, but yesterday their volatility died around the same time. Probably done. I know there's a big drop as soon as I stop stream, come back, market's gonna drop like 200 points. Calling it. It is what it is. Took 4 trades. 14 micros, 4 trades, $225. Not bad. Market's dipping a little bit, but dipping a little bit, created a lower high again. This could be the drop, but I'm done for today. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Successful day, $225 up. What more can you ask for? Lessons learned, did the basics, did the strategy correct. Wish I could add more to the positions, but it just didn't work out that way. I'll see you guys tomorrow at market open. Subscribe, like the video, and until next time.